Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 206 named reverse linked list. In this problem, we are given the head of a single linked list and we have to reverse the list and return the reversed list. Now here in the first example, you can see that the linked list contains 5 elements, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if we reverse it, the linked list will become 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here, let's take this first two node. 1 is connected to 2, but here 2 is connected to 1, and every connection is reversed here. So that's the problem statement. I hope you understood it. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the algorithm, we have taken this example. Here, the linked list contains 6 elements, which is 5 to 13, 3, 8, and 9. Now, initially, the head is connected to 5, and 5 is connected to 2, 2 is connected to 3, 3 is 13, 13 is connected to 3, 3 is connected to 8, and 8 is connected to 9. Now, if we reverse it, one of the easiest way is that we should discard each of the link and make the link backwards. So 5 is connected to the null node, 2 is connected to the 5. The link in between 2 and 13 will be breaked, and 13 will be connected to 2. The link in between 13 and 3 will be discarded, and 3 will be connected with 13. And the link between 3 and 8 will be discarded, and 8 will be connected to 3. And the link in between 8 and 9 will be discarded, and 9 will be connected to 8. Now, we can see that the linked list become, and this 9 will be the new head. Okay, so far so good. That means here the linked list will become 9, 8, 3, 13, 2 and 5. All of them are connected to each other. Now, the basic intuition behind the solution of this problem is we have to discard each of the existing connection and reverse the connection. But how can we do it programmatically? Now here, we can use the two pointers mechanism. Now let's understand how can we use the two pointers mechanism in this problem. Initially, let's take 2 pointers. One is previous and one is current. But before it, let's take a value null. And initially, previous is pointing to null and current will pointing to the first element. Now, we will discard this link and this link and add the link in between 5 and null. Now 5 become the last element of the linked list. Okay, so far so good. Now we have to upgrade our pointer. So previous is here and current is here. But wait, how can we understand which is the next current node? Because this link is broken, right? So to understand the current node, we have to store this link into a variable to reference the current node. Now here, current is here. Again, we have to break this link and add the connection backward. Now our previous is here and current is here. Again, we have to break this link and make the connection backwards. Now our previous is here and current is here. So we have to break this link and make the connection backward. Now our previous is here and current is here. So the backward connection is established and the link is broken. Now our previous is here and current is here. This link is broken and the backward connection is established. Now finally, our previous pointer is here and current pointer is null. But wait, now if the current pointer is null, we have to stop the iteration. But what is the new head of the corresponding reverse list? Thanks to the God, the previous pointer is indicating the first node of the linked list. That means this previous pointer indicating the current head. So after completing the iteration, we have to simply return the previous pointer, and this current head contains the linked list, that is the reverse form of the original linked list. I hope you understand the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. Now, to understand the code, let's take this example of the code snippet. Here we are given a function named reversed list, which is a head as a parameter. Now our previous pointer is pointing to null and current pointer is pointing to current head. Now we are running this loop until current is not null. So here we are storing the next pointer value of current to a variable named current next, and this current next will be equal to the previous. That means we are establishing the backward connection. And here currently we have to upgrade the previous and current pointer after establishing the backward connection. So the previous will be current and the current will be this current of next variable, which is discarded. Now finally we have to return the previous pointer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.